So today, tell me where we had left
Sir,
yesterday.
question answer of last.
Okay, let me open the book. Okay, open your book at page number 132. Open your book at page number 132. Open your book at page number 132. Are you listening? Molly Singh,
Yes, sir.
are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Fill in the blanks we have completed or not. Let me know.
Sir, completed. Today we will do page number 132, number D. Name the following.
Okay, name the following. Wastes that are decomposed by microorganisms found in nature. What is the answer? Vermicomposting. Right, vermicomposting. Are you able to see book?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right answer. West. Kislaraj, you may unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right answer. Waste that decomposed by microorganisms found in nature. Vermicomposting. Separating garbage into
Yes.
useful and non-useful components. That is segregation.
Of garbage.
Segregation of garbage. Segregation spelling is written wrong here. Segregation, right? Correct spelling of segregation. S-E-G. Segregation spelling we have to write correctly. Okay. Segregation.
Sir, written.
Okay. Rotting of biodegradable garbage to make compost. Composting. It
Composting.
involves, yes, it involves finding alternate use of discarded things, that is reuse. Segregation spelling all of you have written correctly now. S-E-G-R-A, segregation, segregation. All of you have written correctly. This is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the method by which metals, plastics, and glass metals are made into new things. That is recycle. Now differentiate between the following pairs.
Differentiate.
Okay, so we will write differentiate. Who is throwing plates? Okay, let me take whiteboard. Okay. Now we have composting and vermicomposting. Are you listening? Molly Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am writing answer over here only. Okay. Composting and vermicomposting. First, I will write composting and vermicomposting answer. Okay, right. It is written at page number 130 in keywords also. Composting and vermicomposting. I just will modify it and I will make the new answer. Composting. Rotting of the biodegradable to make compost is known as composting. On the other hand, Ishika Kumari, hey, write Ishika name, Molly. On the other hand, composting done with the help of ponds is known as vermicomposting. Okay. Number one, I have written. Number two, biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. So let us write here. The waste or those wastes which is kept or put, kept or which is kept into the green dustbin. Those wastes which are kept. You have to write here which are. Okay. Those wastes which are kept into the green dustbins are known as biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable waste. On the other hand, the wastes, those wastes those wastes which are kept into the blue dustbins are known as non-biodegradable wastes.
Sir,
What?
sir, biodegradable spelling is wrong. You have not written ABL, you have written ABE.
That is typing mistake. Biodegradable L is left here. Biodegradable wastes, on the other hand, those wastes which are kept into the blue dustbins are known as non-biodegradable wastes. Number 3, we have reusing and recycling. Recycling answer is given at page number 129. Metals, plastics, and glass materials are picked from the garbage and then again reprocessed to make new things. This is called recycling at page number 129. And then again reprocessed to make new things. This is called recycling. Whereas at our home so many things like empty jars and bottles can be reused, like bottles and jars can be reused for storing dry foods and spices. Spices. This is called reusing. Number 4, green garbage bin and blue garbage bin. Okay. Green garbage bins are those bins which are the place for keeping biodegradable wastes. And on the contrary, blue bins are those bins which are the place for keeping non-biodegradable wastes. Okay, this one we have completed. E number we have completed. Sama Shaurya is saying that my screen is showing black. Molly Singh, are you not able to see whatever I am writing here?
Sir, seeing.
Okay, let me refresh. Sama Shaurya is not able to see. Answer is also deleted. So when I will upload it in YouTube, you have to see. Okay, Sana Shaurya, unmute yourself. Sana Shaurya.
Yes, sir.
जब YouTube पर अपलोड करेंगे देख लेना, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
तुम्हारी वजह से रिफ्रेश किए तो जो भी आंसर लिखे थे वो भी डिलीट हो गए.
Okay, sir.
तो हम लोग F नंबर करते हैं. YouTube पर देख लेना वीडियो. बस क्लास खत्म होने के
Okay,
बाद
sir.
YouTube पर डाल.
Thank you, sir.
Define each of the following biodegradable wastes. Okay. Biodegradable waste. These are kept into the green dustbins. Then we have non-biodegradable waste. These are kept into blue dustbins. Composting. Composting answer is given in the keywords. Composting and landfill answer is given in the keywords. Rotting of the biodegradable garbage to make compost. That only you need to write here. Rotting of the biodegradable garbage to make compost. Landfill answer is also given. A huge open area a huge open area where the garbage of a town is dumped. Okay, completed. Written. Now we have question and answer. What is meant by biodegradable substance? Give two examples. Okay, now I am going to write the question and answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Again, answer is given at page number 130 in the keywords. I will modify it, then I will make them a little bit modified. The material here it is written, but we will write here those materials that can be broken down by microorganisms in nature are called biodegradable substance. Right here. First, what is meant by biodegradable substance, right? The substance that can be broken down by microorganisms in nature is known as biodegradable substance. Give two examples. Examples we have to write. Tell me examples. Tell me two examples. Someone tell me examples. Molly Singh.
Yes, sir.
दो एग्जाम्पल बताओ बायोडिग्रेडेबल का.
Paper, vegetable peels,
Vegetable peels and
paper,
papers. Okay. Now we have question number 3. Question number 2. What do we have? What is landfill? Why is garbage dumped into a landfill? Answer is written. A huge open area where the garbage of a town and city is dumped. Okay, this is known as landfill. And why garbage dumped in the landfill? Then that we will write. Just write a huge open area where the garbage of the city or town. You may write city and town both. A huge open area where the garbage of city is dumped. Is known as landfill. Now next question along with this question is written, why is garbage dumped in a landfill? By your own sense you may write garbage is dumped into a landfill because in this process less pollution is there. By the way, let me see the book language here. Okay. Garbage is dumped in a landfill because with the help of this process, with the help of this process, process. There is no pollution. There is no pollution or very less pollution or very less pollution is there in the nature. Garbage is dumped in a landfill or into a landfill because with the help of this process there is no pollution or very less pollution we see in the nature. Here you write we see in the nature. Okay. A huge open area where the garbage of the city is dumped is known as landfill, and garbage is dumped in a landfill because with the help of this process there is no pollution or very less pollution we see in the nature. Any problems? Understood?
No, sir.
Yes.
What problem you have? Tell me.
No problem, sir.
Okay. Now we have third question. How is vermicomposting done? So how is vermicomposting done? I think it is written at page number. Let me see. It is written at page number 129. Composting can also be done with the help of worms. Such type of composting is called vermicomposting. Care should be taken. Okay. How is vermicomposting done? Vermicomposting is done by worms. Right answer. Vermicomposting is done by worms. How is vermicomposting done? Vermicomposting is done by worms. We may add here some lines. In the forest, composting takes place naturally, right? By putting commas. In the forest, in the forest, in the forest, it takes place naturally. In the forest, it takes place naturally. Some farmers also prepare compost. Some farmers also prepares compost and use it in the field to grow crops. Compost for growing crops. Okay, till question number 3. Now we have only 2 minutes left. So question number 4 and 5 will be done in our next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Question number 4 is very easy. What are the 3 R's that we should practice? So 3 R's are reduce, reuse, and recycling. These are the 3 R's. Very easy. Explain
Yes, sir.
with 2 example storage. What is segregation of garbage? These 2 questions are very easy. We will complete it in our next class. Then jog your mind also. What is written in jog your mind questions? Let me see. Why should we not use plastic shopping bags and why should we keep the garbage covered? Okay, these are also very easy. So we'll continue in our next class. Today, till here only. I'm going to unmute each one of you. सभी को unmute कर दिया. कोई problem?
No, sir.
चलो
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Thank you,
ठीक है,
sir.
ठंडे से बचना है.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.